What's going on, y'all? It's Dime, and today we're going to be unboxing a new knife I just picked up and making a leather slip for it. The knife I picked up, I was at Walmart the other day walking around getting a couple things, and I looked in the showcase and I saw this. We got a buck. This one is a Trapper. There's your model number. It does have the forever warranty. That's Buck's thing right there, even if it's a made in China knife. This is a Trapper. I just saw the handle scales on this one and had to pick it up. I paid, I think, $25 for it. It was on sale. Look at that burl on both sides. And this is actually the display knife. I had the person go in the cabinets and pick out another one and looked at it and said, "Can you swap it for me?" Because this one I loved. There it is. Little buck Trapper. I'm a big fan of this one. We're going to be making a leather slip for it today. So, yeah, let's get to it. Well, there we go, y'all. There's our new knife and our knife slip for it. Got to break it in a little bit, but that's our buck trapper with this bird's eye barrel. I'd call that bird's eye. And a new little slip for it. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like this video. It really helped me out a lot. I appreciate it. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're doing a giveaway at 500 subs. And I'll be announcing what those giveaway items are here soon. Stay tuned. Thank you all very much for watching. Until next time. Peace.